everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and I want to talk to you about brushes. You might think, why would you need brushes in the automotive business? But they come in handy and they are needed in a lot of jobs. You have different types of bristles. We have plastic bristles, brass, and then we have some steel bristles. Plastic, great for anything to do with automotive aluminum. So if you have a throttle body you want to clean, if this one's big enough to get in there, anything that's aluminum and you got to clean the aluminum, you can't shave away the aluminum. Great brush to use right there. The brass, a little bit firmer, but is not as abrasive as the steel. Same thing. Some aluminum, if you need to get a gasket off, once you scrape it off and you're just down to that last bit of gasket, brush it up with the brass. Steel, I like to use on steel only, or say caliper brackets. You take the caliper shims off, the tins, and you want to get rid of the big rust flakes, spray it with some brake clean, and then get in there with that steel brush. Make sure you have a nice smooth surface after. So if you need these tools or any other tools, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.